you don't know how to use the strap, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can use it. For instance, I have here my minivan, and sometimes when I go to customers for the small shops, I use this one, and sometimes, you know, I take a dishwasher or maybe microwave or something like that, and I put it on the top, so that way when I drive, you know, like 60 miles an hour, 70 miles an hour, you know, the things will not fly away. So this is why you need to know how to use the straps. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. Also, if you have a trailer, like in my case, I have another trailer here full of stuff, so also it will be useful for that. So now I'm going to show you closely, so that way you can do it yourself. Inside of my trailer, so I put some straps here, and also have a small gate that I close it, so that way things are not going to fall off. So now I'm going to show you how to use it. All right, so now I'm going to show you the mechanism, so that way you see how everything works. So I'm going to take it apart this, so that way you see. Okay, basically you're going to have this is the first mechanism. This is the first mechanism that you have to learn how to use it. So basically, this is one of the ends, and in the other end, you're going to have the other rope that you're going to have the hook on the side. So basically, it's like that, as you can see, and in the other end, there is nothing like I showed you before. So basically, this is it. So now I'm going to show you this, so that way you know how to use it. So basically, you're going to see that some of the straps they have a loop here in this area where you can hook it in case if you have to make this short. Sometimes you need to do that, but in this case, because it doesn't have it, you can do it like that, and it will work. Otherwise, buy the other one that I'm telling you that comes with a loop. It's just on purpose, just for that. All right, so I took the other one from my minivan. So as you can see, this is the other side, and you see the loop that I was talking about. So you can put it like this, and that's it. So that is made for that. So now I'm going to show you closely how to use it. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link, and you can buy it yourself here in US. All right, so basically, this, as you can see, every time you move it like that, it will ratchet. It will be like a ratchet, basically. So like an adjustable wrench, not adjustable wrench, like a socket set. You know that you have the tool that will do click, click, click. Let's say if you have to use a socket set. So basically, this will work the same way, and it will spin the center that you see here. You see this? You're going to spin it every time. So this will tight the load, but it will never untie it. So in order to do that, you have to do this. You see this? You have to push it or pull towards that way. And then you can do the same thing with this one, because you see here, this one is locked too. So move this out of the way, and then you can pull freely, and this is going to spin freely. So that way you don't have to worry about anything else, and you can release the load. So now I'm going to show you how you can use it. So basically, once you do that, you're going to put it here on the hook. Also, if you have I mean, in this case, I'm using the same side of the trailer, but otherwise usually you go and use it in the other side. So, and you're going to grab this and you're going to put it in the other side. So basically, we're going to use this hook that we have here. There we go. And as you can see here, we're going to stretch it, and then we're going to grab the other end, and I'll show you. So basically, all you have to do is put it in this hole that I told you before. Put it in the middle. You have to push it and then grab it from the other end. You do this, and that's it. So once you have it like that, so always grab it and run the strap from the other side, from the back. Basically, don't do it the other way. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult if you have it the other way around. So basically, now you do this. Try to make it straight. Try to make it as tight as possible first, and then after that you use this, because if you use it in the beginning when you have a lot of slack, it's not going to work out. This is going to get like very fat, and it's going to be, you're going to reach one point that you're not going to be able to do it anymore, because it's going to be completely full. So basically, once it's there and you have the tension that you want, so once you want to release it again, you have to pull this to release it, and then make it straight. And then, like I said before, you have to grab this this area too, and then it's going to release it completely. You do this, and then that's it. So once it's completely free, you pull it all the way that you want, all the way out, and that's it. So that is how you can use it. And like I said before, if it becomes too fat, that is why you have to make it, as tight as possible, and then you have to start ratcheting it, because you don't have much space here, so you cannot make it very fat. Once you do that, again, pull from here, pull from here, and that's it. That is how you can use it. Again, if you need to learn more about tools, go to my playlist about tools, and you can learn how to use every tool. If you have any suggestion, please let me know in the section below. I'll see you next time.